when this was read. I mean, obviously a relief, but
Yeah, Ryan has decided that he would really prefer not to speak.
Pretty emotional right now.
I know. It's a
prefer to
relief.
really not give any comments right now.
But how do you
Thank
feel? I mean, I'm not about this
He
case.
feels
I'm
great.
emotional.
Right. And for your family, I mean, you had support here. A lot of people were telling us they didn't believe that you would be found guilty in this. So, I mean, did you feel that support coming in?
It's a relief. I'm happy. I'm so thankful for the jury and the decision that they made. And that's all I can really say right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry. I'm ready to get back to life.
How do you think your team did?
Of course. I have the best lawyers in the world. If anybody needs to hire someone, it's this guy.
Come on. We're not going to put that on the news.
What
Please
now?
do not
What
put
are you
that
going to do now?
We're going home.
Going on.
Yeah.
Well, I mean-
I got kids. I'm ready to go home.
You're ready to do that? And
It's my son's birthday on Tuesday. So
happy
yes,
birthday.
yes.
So thank you.
Are we
Thank you.
done?
We're done.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
done.
Thank you.
We're going to get
We're
going.
done.
Guys.
We're
Thank you.
done.
We
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it. We did
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, I'll send you a statement.
Okay.
Oh, gotcha. Firing lawyer. Oh, there you go. At our attention. They're home. They're ready for us to get home.
I'm glad for you guys.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
I know. It was a pleasure watching you in court.
Ryan, I'll send you.
Yeah, I'm just.
I know.
I didn't want to say anything, but what do you?
Aaron, is there anything you'd like to say to your former coworkers?
Is there anything that you do want to say at all, Aaron? I know you're getting a hug from your family, but this is important. So obviously you're going to appeal, but what do you think? I'm sorry, I do have to ask. You don't have anything to say at all. What now, though?
You don't want to
Don't touch my camera. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Don't touch my camera.
Bill?
All right, folks, come on. You all need to move out of the way. Let's come. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta move out of the way. You all know the rules too. Okay?
Randy,
When you expect to have to report back?
Aaron, anything you want to say at all? Free with the phone.
Careful.
No, I'm not going to use it because I chose his license plate.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Alright, we're gonna be with Dale. So I can do like a rundown of the beats. I did. That's impressive. Jim, okay, let's figure out who's taking the live shots.
You guys want to do that?
Yeah. This was an important case for Jacksonville. First, we want to thank both juries. We had very attentive and conscientious juries, and that's a hallmark of our republic, and we are thankful for all of them. It was an unusual case to present at the same time to two juries. Only the second time, I think, in the courthouse, but it's we appreciate their service, and it requires them to dispose of a case like this, and it was a difficult case, and we're proud of the service that they performed. I want to thank the U.S. Attorney, Roger Handberg, and all of our law enforcement partners with the FBI, the special agents in charge, Sherry Onks, and Mr. Dargis, and also want to thank State Attorney Melissa Nelson for allocating 2 of her investigators to our case. This was a real team effort. We also want to thank the Council Auditor's Office for bringing this to light and all the media attention that this case got in November and December of 2019. And it was a long road, but we were appreciative of the opportunity to get to present this to the juries in this case, and we feel like justice has been done.
Even with the Wannemacher verdict?
We accept the Wannemacher verdict. We appreciate how much the jury deliberated. It was about 12 hours. Of course, we don't know what
Years now we put it in the past.
it has been. I think it's a huge event in our history, and I think it's a reminder that if there's a breach of the public trust, we're going to be here. We're going to be here with the state attorney's office, and we're going to partner in these cases going forward.
We learned a lot during this trial, a lot of things that we heard in the background. The mayor's office came up quite a bit. I mean, is this it? Does this go any further? Could there be other charges for other people?
This case is over, and this finishes it. We're going to proceed to Mr. Zahn's sentencing, and the city's going to move on from this scandal of the failed effort to sell JEA and all of the things that came with it, and we're going to move forward. Also want to thank JEA, particularly Mr. McElroy, the former CEO and interim CEO, Mr. Stowe, and also the Chief Legal Officer, Regina Ross. I want to thank her for her courtesies and all of the great work that JEA and the personnel did with us in this case.
Was there a particular piece of evidence
Wannemacher's
that
verdict?
you thought helped win this case in terms of winning conviction for Zahn? Was there something that you thought that you really think helped turn the tide to earn a conviction?
No, I think it was the dedication to put the case together and present it. I don't think there's any piece of evidence that we can specifically focus on.
You said you accept Wannemacher's verdict, but is that the one that you expected for him specifically?
I don't know if there is an expectation in these cases. I think the only expectation is that we present the case the best we can, and that's what's so great about this, and it was part of our closing argument. We put it in the jury's hands, and they spoke, and we're appreciative for their service, and we're appreciative of all of the attention the case got from you all, and that's all we have. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Go ahead, get ready to go live.
Hi, sorry about that. I think there's something wrong with it.
This is Tiffany. Jim's with Randy.
You call Karina and see if she can add this in.
Okay. Should we give that to maybe Tiffany?
Hey, yeah, so can you add Duva as well?
Hold on, I'll check.
I know, okay. And then get work on Duva as well.
Do you have an issue with
I did talk to before I was.
Tyson Duva, do you want to add Tiffany after Jim? Can y'all turn Duva that quick? Or?
They didn't kill it.
Okay.
All right, so tell me what you have.
if not-
You have Zahn.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Okay. Right now, I don't think.
Okay.
Eric.
Yeah.
Come up here. I may talk to you. Back.
Take your badge off.
Eric, our Zahn expert.
Yes!
You got it.
Go on down. They said that you make enough lawyers in the world.